Okay, I'm making a short video today about the number 11. The number is 1111. A lot of people see 1111. And I want to show you how this has to do with time. And a lot of people, when they see 1111, they see it on a clock. A lot of times on a digital clock. Okay, so let's look at the word 11. And then you see the reflection of 11 over here. Okay, so you see in the word 11 is the word even. And then you got even going backwards. So it has something to do with time becoming even. If you see the first letters, it's E-L. L means God. And then you get L going backwards. So the reflection of E-L. We know that Jesus is the perfect reflection of his Father. So together Jesus can bring heaven and earth together. He's going to do it perfectly symmetrical. We're going to see more about that in a future video. It has to do with symmetry and reflection. And if you look at the vowels in the word 11, you got E-E-E. So E-E-E, then if you put its reflection over here and then slide the reflection over this, you're going to get 888, which has to do with the fullness of times and all time coming together. And if you take the consonants out, L is the 12th letter, 1 plus 2 is 3, V is the 22nd letter, 2 plus 2 is 4, and, whoops, I wrote that wrong. That's supposed to be an N. And N is the 14th letter, and 1 plus 4 is 5. So you get 3, 4, 5. And 3, 4, 5 plus 5, 4, 3 is 888. So again, you get the 888. Now, if you want to think about it in another way, if you multiply 8 times 8 times 8 is going to equal 512. And you think about this 888 being the opposite, be 215. But together, they'll equal 727. 727 is 314 plus 413 is 727. And pi is 3.14. And the opposite is 413. So it's like pi, opposite pi, time and antitime coming together. The 1111. And if you take this 11, it's the perfect reflection of this 11. So if you put them together, it makes 111. And perfect balance equals 111, like 111. And the word 11 equals 63. And 6 times 3 plus its reverse, 36, times 3 times 6 is 324. And stop time, which I've shown quite a few times now, if you take all these letters, reduce them to the smallest value, like S is 19, 1 plus 9 is 10, 1 plus 0 is 1, then multiply all the numbers, 1 times 2 times 6 times 7, times 2 times 9 times 4 times 5, it's going to equal 30,240. And if you drop the 0, it's going to equal 324. This all has to do with symmetry and reflection. Because when Adam and Eve sinned, we were taken out of balance from God. We're no longer balanced. We're no longer his perfect reflection. But Jesus, his sacrifice, he was perfect. So he again could bring us back to the Father. So that we again could obtain this balance that was lost. And it also is connected to time. And we're going to get more into balance and symmetry and some future videos that I'm going to do. And I'm just going to leave it here today at this point. And I hope everybody has a good day.